Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you could fix your Instagram notes if it is missing. So first we're going to go ahead and open your Instagram app, and I am using an Android phone. Whatever phone you're using, it should be the same process. I just need to understand the difference. I have an Android, you can either be using an Apple device. So let's go ahead and open Instagram. And obviously I'm going to go ahead and make sure or double check if Instagram Notes is working. So I'm going to go to the message, and then I can see the plus button there, and I see two of my friends have posted their Instagram notes. So we're going to do a test. I'm going to press or tap the plus. Then we're just going to say hello, and then share with, it's selected to followers you follow back, and then we're gonna tap share at the top, and it looks like it is working. So how to fix if it's missing or you've never had it and you see your friends posting on social media, or ask about if you have that feature. So if you don't have it, obviously the very first option that you could do is you could go to Play Store or App Store, and then search for Instagram, open Instagram, and then if it's not up to date, you should have an option, or it'll give you an option to update. And after that, once it's updated, you can go back to the app and see if the Instagram notes is now available for you. If it's still nothing, you can always come back to the Play Store and then tap the uninstall button, and then you can reinstall the app. And one thing you could do as well is you could go to settings. Let's go to apps and then search for Instagram, and you can always try to uninstall from here, but I would go to storage and cache. I would try to clear the cache and also the storage if you don't want to uninstall Instagram. That's basically gonna log you out from the Instagram, and then once you reopen it, it will prompt you to log in again. So that's another way to fix the problem. But if you don't want to do that step, and you can just go to the app, press the three lines at the top right, go to settings, and then go all the way down, and then you will select log out, and then you can re-log in again. But I think the very best option is to go to the settings and then clear storage, because it's gonna basically clear the app, and then you're basically going to as if you just reinstall the app. You could do that too. Actually, it is possible that you may not have that option for now, because maybe Instagram is still on the testing phase. They haven't given it to everyone. You know, maybe in a certain country doesn't have that option yet. But another way is you could go to settings again, and then you will tap help, and then you will select report a problem, and then select report problem without shaking, because this one you have to go back and then show where the problem is, but we don't want to do that for now. So let's select the report problem, and then you can just click X on the because it created a screenshot as soon as you selected it. So now we're gonna type. Alright, so you could type this sentences. Once you're done, you're gonna tap the next at the top right, and you just follow through until you submit the problem or report, and then you would just have to wait for them to respond to you to see what's going on exactly, if they see an issue from their end, and then they'll let you know. So you're either gonna wait for a few hours or days. All that I wanted to cover for this. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe. Thank you, and see you on the next one.